Welcome to LATIF Animations. Today I will show you how to fix the problem that sometimes undo button is not work. Undo facing very critical problem. Now you can see I am performing some steps, but go to edit undo button is disabled. It's not work. Very I am lot of search about what is the problem, but I can't find any video on YouTube. So this is I am making that video to help those users who facing this problem. So I am going to fix this problem. What is the solution of that? I am performing some steps, but undo button is completely disabled. So what is the solution? Go to edit, go to preference, and then go to the system tab. Click on system tab and check that the your graphics card and graphic card currently you are using, just tick the box global undo. So global undo is then go to save preferences and then cross. Now you can see it's solved the problem. Undo button is enabled, but it's not work because this step performed before enable undo button. Now I am making another step, new step that works perfectly fine. If you facing this problem, hope this solution will help to you. If you like my videos, please subscribe the non-native animations. Thanks for